Project is optimized design of modified double tail comparator, and it was guided by Mr. H.K. Singh and presented by Nadinila and Narmada Sri. These are the contents of our project. Aim to design a low power dynamic regenerative double tail comparator and also to maximize the speed. The circuit of conventional double tail comparator is modified for low power and fast operation even in a small supply voltages. The design does not require boosted voltage or stacking of too many transistors. Instead of adding few resistors, that voltage is supplied. To design a double tail dynamic comparator, which latch delay time have to be reduced. Comparator. A comparator is a device that compares two voltage or current and output a digital signal indicating which is larger. These are the software which we are used in our project. Tanner Tool version 13.0. Conventional dynamic comparator model 1. Simulation of conventional dynamic comparator. Power dissipation of conventional dynamic comparator. Waveform of conventional dynamic comparator. Conventional double tail dynamic comparator model 2. Simulation of conventional double tail dynamic comparator. Power dissipation of conventional dynamic double tail comparator. Waveform of conventional double tail dynamic comparator. Proposed modified double tail comparator. The main idea of proposed comparator is to increase input voltage in order to increase the latch regeneration speed. A new dynamic comparator is proposed where the circuit of conventional double tail comparator is modified for low power design. Without complicating the design and by adding few transistors, the positive feedback during the regeneration is strengthened, which results in remarkably reduced delay time. Proposed modified double tail comparator. Operation of our proposed modified double tail comparator is, the operation of proposed comparator is as follows. The figure. During the reset phase, the clock is 0, M-tail 1, M-tail 2 are off. M3 and M4 pulls both Fn and Fp nodes to VDD, hence the transistor MC1 and MC2 are cut off. Intermediate stages transistors MR1 and MR2 reset both latch outputs ground. During decision making phase, clock to the VDD, M-tail 1 and M-tail 2 are on. The transistors M3 and M4 turn off. Furthermore, at beginning in this phase, the control transistors are still off. Thus, Fn and Fp start to drop with different rates according to the input voltages. Supply V in P is greater than Vin. Thus, Fn drops faster than the Fp. As long as Fn continues falling, the corresponding PMOS control transistors, MC1 in this case, starts to turn on, pulling Fp node back to the VDD. So, another control transistor, MC2, remains off, allowing Fn to be discharged completely. In other words, unlike conventional dynamic comparator in which Vfn bar Fp is just a function of input transistor, transconductance and input voltage difference in the proposed structure as soon as comparator detects that, for instance, node Fn discharge faster, PMOS transistor MC1 turns on, pulling the other node Fp back to the VDD. Therefore, by the time passing, the difference between Fn and Fp increases in exponential manner, leading to reduction of latch regeneration time. Despite the effectiveness of the proposed idea, one of the points which should consider is that in this circuit, when one of the control transistor turns on, the current from VDD is drawn to the ground via input and tail transistor MC1 and M1 and M-tail 1, resulting in static power consumption. To overcome these issues, two NMOS switches are used below the input transistors MSW1 and MSW2 as shown in the figure. At the beginning of decision making phase, due to the fact that both Fn and Fp nodes have been pre-charged to V. This is the operation of our proposed modified double tail dynamic comparator. This is a simulation of modified conventional dynamic double tail comparator. Power dissipation of modified conventional double tail dynamic comparator. Waveform of modified conventional double tail dynamic comparator. Waveform of modified conventional double tail comparator. Analysis of result. Design. Conventional dynamic comparator, conventional double tail dynamic comparator, modified conventional double tail dynamic comparator. Number of transistors 9, 12, 16. Propagation delay 2.49, 2.39, 2.00. Power dissipation in microwave 5.77, 4.44, 4.08. These are the reference. Thank you.